Hey guys, I built this truss, Warren style floor truss, 15-foot long. Each cross member, diagonal member is 16-inch on center. So between this vertical and vertical is 16-inch, and whatever angle is basically 70 2-degree angle approximately, and these are nailed together, no gusset. The reason is behind it there is a floor joist 7 1/4. If you see this end, it flushed with the floor, but sag of the joist started from minimum minor 1/4 inch to all the way to here, which is basically 1/2 inch minimum sag of the joist. So I'm going to lift this joist up from the middle so I can screw it, sister it with this truss I built from the opposite side. So this is the joist and this is the truss I built, so I'm going to screw from side so they will be all sandwiched together. From side to side it covers 15-foot distance. That's it.